Hey everybody, what's going on? I am Sandra Chaney, a nonprofit consultant and strategist, and I help nonprofits strategically find funding so that they can become sustainable, successful, and have impact in the communities that they want to serve, right? So I have a book called The Inside Secrets to Getting Money for Your Nonprofit. Yes, it is a bestseller. And in this book, I do share several secrets, 7 to be exact, of how to help you get funding. Because I think what people think when they want to start a nonprofit is that it's all about the dollars. And yes, you need money, right, to do what you need to do. But the profit isn't the money. The profit is the systems, the things you have in place to help you get to the end result, which is the money. Those are the secrets. That's the strategy that you must have. But you have to get rid of the box, because nonprofits think like, because I'm a nonprofit, I can't make a profit. And that is so not true. You can make a profit. But it is how you set yourself up. How you do one thing is how you do every single thing. The Inside Secrets to Getting Money for Your Nonprofit. Yes, I encourage you. It's a small book, an easy read, right? I encourage you to get the book. And then if you really want to go further, I encourage you to visit my website at sandrachaney.com to get a 25-minute consultation so that we can see how we can assist you to take your nonprofit to the next level, so that you can be sustainable, so that you can be successful. Because it's things like having the right board. It is things like making sure your mission statement is clear. It's all kinds of things that you need. But you can be sustainable. There are a lot of nonprofits out there who are successful, and you could be one of them, right? The Inside Secrets of Getting Money for Your Nonprofit. And then get that, and then go and get set up I ain't got tongue tied. Y'all see that? then what was I saying, y'all? See? This is what I'm talking about. You can't, nothing's going to be perfect, right? So you just keep going. That's the other thing. You got to get rid of perfectionism. You're going to be in business. You can't be perfect about anything. So I'm going to keep going with this. So once you get the book and you feel like you want to go to the next level, then sign up for a free consultation at sandrachaney.com. Okay? I just go there and let's see how we can help you. All right, that was it. Nothing else. All right, guys, I'm laughing at myself right now. Anyway, thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.